In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make a phone call from your Apple Watch. All you have to need press the crown to go to your app library. In app library, you have to open the phone app. In here, if you want to dial a number to make a call, select this dial pad. And then you can just go ahead and dial the number and then tap on this call button to start a call. And if you want to make a call from your contact list, then select contacts. In here, you have to find out the contact that you want to call. Just select the contact, tap on this call button to make a call. And here, if you go back, here you'll find recent tab. Here you'll find all of your recent incoming, outgoing, and missed calls. Also, from here, if you want to make a call, just tap on the number and the call will be sent. Thanks for watching.